Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a EVGA 500 watt power supply into a h500i nzxt case. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And right here I already got the SSD pre-installed. All you want to do is line up all the screws on your SSD, put the screws on the bracket, line all the holes up, screw this screw in, and if you want to take it out, just screw that out and pull that down. So mainly we're just going to be installing the power supply today. And the first thing you're going to want to do is pop the back off. Okay, I'm just going to swing everything around back. Okay. First thing you're going to want to do is get those screws out of your power supply. 4 screws are going to look like that right there. Alright, you got mine. You're going to grab your power supply, line up the holes with the power supply on here. Always, if you have a dust filter in your case, put the fan on the power supply face down so that you're getting all that yucky, disgusting air out of the system and all that good air is staying in. And for now, you guys can just shove all those cables in there. I'll also be plugging in the SSD today. Okay, line everything up. And now I'm going to grab my first screw, put it into the screw on the hole on the power supply, and just screw it in. I'm going to do the second one. Hopefully you guys enjoy these computer builds. I'm going to be doing a lot more computer related stuff. I also got a tripod for my camera, so hopefully you guys enjoy the new stuff. And please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Comment what your favorite food is, okay? And I'll like the best comment or the one that I like the most, my favorite food. Okay, so that's all for those screws. You see it's very tight right now if you tap it.